Hello there. Let me make sure that this thing is clean. It's actually very helpful to have a mirror in my vicinity so I can check myself. Hopefully someone edits that out. Just kidding, I don't have money for that. So we have great music playing. We have done great work today. So let me take you through what we've done. Excuse me. All right, so you can tell over here. So what we got here is a completely emptied out. Let me get you a better look here. A completely emptied out trunk, and I got I got her open. I just unscrewed the damn thing, and we'll work on getting it open and actually probably switching it out. But anywho's, so the rust isn't actually as bad as it looks. It's pretty much surface. We have no holes, so that is fantastic. So it's I've tested it. It's pretty strong. So that's obviously super awesome. We have some things that I'll be so. I don't even know what this is. Oh, there's a dark mark here, but I'll be getting rid of it and then probably throwing some Flex Seal over it. I don't necessarily know why it's there. I can do some research into that, but that's just so unaesthetic. No, I'm kidding. Don't care. So yeah, we have some stuff to replace up here, and then obviously the whole headliner. But I've been pretty much tearing into this thing. So I already pulled out the rug, and I've gotten this somewhat off, although I'm somewhat at an impasse here because I need to figure out how to pop this thing out and get access to the wiring back there. So I'll figure it out. I'll probably do some research with someone else tearing it down. But yeah, and got this stinking ignition coil or something that's I theoretically meant for it. There's just too many things that were done, but got a collection of screws that need to be organized, and then I'll be throwing them into my box over there. Compressor's fully up and running, so now I just need to get the big cord for it, and I'll be able to do some cutting that I need to do. And what else, people? Yeah, keeping track of this stuff is just fantastic. But anyways, so let me show you something super awesome that I found. Oh yeah, I took off the, whatever the hell this is called, but whatever it is, it's stuck on my finger. That's quite annoying. So I'm just gonna have to get rid of that quick. It soaks into my blood. It makes me some kind of mutant. Anyways, so found these in the back, both. I'm not sure if that's an extra or not because this one works just fine. It does everything it needs to, so, but they'll be for this one at least, and I suppose that'll be an extra, but I'll be cleaning that up. I'm gonna be, I'm Mr. Matthew Deep Clean because, want to make sure that everything's, pristine for them, whoever's getting this car, so, yeah, and, took off the dash, and then I need to figure out either how to repair it or to just replace the top because it is a little bit cracked and a little bit rough looking. But, I need to not block that. But yeah, so that's what we're working with here, so let me get out. Probably a good time to call it since a brother is starting, but some of the stuff I discovered in the back of that in the trunk was just insane. So it means I'll be able to actually use these. I'll be switching out the tires, so I'm gonna full send it with like the Cobra whatever. The radial tires, get them all appropriately sized, but and then I'm probably gonna refurbish them. I need to dump that, but I don't want to leave my house yet. Probably shouldn't be working with that. But anyways, so I pulled out the carpet. I'm gonna keep this. I need to transfer this onto either paper or cardboard, just so I have the exact measurements, so I don't have to do any other research. And then I toss these. Gonna obviously restore this. been watching some videos on reupholstery, so, or pause, wait, on upholstery, so I can reupholster it. And then, don't look at that, but that is the license plate. I need to find out who that is so I can get the bonded title for this thing. And then pulled out the wiring for this. I want to so desperately just rewire the whole thing, or not rewire, but just, well, damn, just replace everything, because it's, you know, old. Everything else is in mostly good condition. I'm gonna be, now I can finally start messing around with this, and there's a nice little dent in the back over there which I'll be popping out. But yeah, so making some big head wind, whoa, whatever, I'm forgetting what the term is, again, late night, but it's earlier this time, it's probably 12, and I need to eat some dinner, so, yeah, what else do we have? Oh yeah, let me show you guys so this is insane, but these are in such nice condition. I'm gonna do some research because I've never seen these on a Mustang before, unless maybe I have and I just wasn't even really paying attention, but pretty cool. Yeah, and oh, they have an AC, so some of the components I pulled out of there, so it's awesome. It's either stuff that they replaced or, geez, where did I put it? Oh, air cleaner, huge, love that. I don't know if I showed you guys the other day or yesterday. Oh, all that crap is back there. So there's an AC, a couple of, okay, here's what's insane, and I love this, but it's also very insane. They had this chilling in the back. So, I mean, they were planning on restoring it, and I won't be using the cork. I don't want the cork. Yeah, I do not want the cork. I want MLS, because I want to err on the safe side. At least that's why the multi-layered steel was even invented, unless my history is wrong. But yeah, so I want to go with, we'll be consulting some professionals with this. Like, I'm not gonna be, you know, just going with whatever, but yeah, I'm super excited. This is huge, and means I'd save some money at least, right? But yeah, I'll be definitely not going with the cork for the valve cover. Yeah, I mean, yeah, and then the exhaust and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I just can't wait to get this done. And we'll be getting to the engine soon. I just need to do some research on getting the dash out, or not the dash, but the, you know, radio and stuff out. But this is what it looks like right now. And yeah, this is a it's a nice mess, but it's going well. Oh, and then here's the damage. So I don't know if you can tell here, but yeah, so that's what we're dealing with. And yeah, just a short little update video. I don't really know how to edit stuff, so you might be just stuck with me being an absolute dork, but yeah. Alrighty guys, take care. Yeah, I think that's it.